Hello, welcome back to Learn and Share with me, Faraj. Thank you for following, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for learning together with me. Today, I have come with another important piece to share with teachers, educators, and lifelong mentors, and that is how easily we can make our work. What if you could plan lessons faster, create exams in minutes, and actually give better feedback to students without paying? Actually, something that is free. Of course, we are going to use ChatGPT. We all know ChatGPT, or we've heard of ChatGPT, but how can we use it effectively as a teacher or as an educator to benefit from it? Yes, let's briefly walk through ChatGPT very fast. So let's quickly go to how we can access ChatGPT. Of course, you're going to open a browser of your choice. It can be Chrome, Edge, or even your phone browser if you're using your phone. Then just search for ChatGPT, or you can go to chatgpt.com straight away. You will be there. Then click on ChatGPT. Then it loads. There you go, that's the interface. So you can create a free account and log in, of course, using your email, and proceed. No payment required, and you start working. All right. Of course, one important thing that I can remind us is that ChatGPT is just a tool for us to help us. It's not a replacement for your professional judgment. Always make sure you review and adjust the content before using it in your class or with your students. All right, let's take the first case scenario, how we can use ChatGPT, that is a lesson planning. Let's plan for a lesson in just minutes. I'm going to pick a very simple prompt here. For example, we can type and say, please create for me, let's say, a 40 minutes lesson plan on photosynthesis for grade 7 students using simple language activities and assessment options. Let us use this prompt here and see what ChatGPT is going to give us. Yes, so you press enter, and in just minutes it will produce for you your lesson plan very clearly and yani in steps. Yes. All right, that's our lesson plan about photosynthesis. As you can see, it has given us even some images, and the subject is science. Learning objectives of the lesson, explain what photosynthesis is, and plants, etc. Like you can see, key vocabularies: chlorophyll, sunlight, oxygen. Like you can see, now it is breaking down for us the lesson plan. You see introduction, that in 5 minutes you can start with a starter, maybe show a green plant or a picture, or ask students this and that. Yes, you can see it has generated for the lesson plan in detail. Now, if you have, let's say, a specific template that maybe your school uses, you can upload it and then instruct it to generate for you the lesson plan according to the template of your institution or school. You can see it has broken down the lesson for us, and also shows you the minutes and the time that is required. Yes, so quick assessment questions. It will give you detailed kind of information, homework, and also give you some tips, like you can see. So if you remember, you have to check through and see if it matches with your curriculum, and also what you have in your lesson notes. Similarly, if you have your lesson notes ready in, let's say, a PDF or a Word document, you can copy and paste and then give it instructions to generate for the lesson plan according to your notes, and then it will automatically generate. So if you want to print this as PDF, you can give it instructions, or if you want to make it, to edit it a little bit to be more related, just give it instruction. For example, you can say make the lesson more engaging. Make the lesson more engaging. So it will adjust the lesson plan to be engaging for your learners. Yes, so we should embrace this generation of AI and let us not suffer and spend too much time creating these plans. Yet we have tools like this that can help us simplify our work. Yes, so it's now generating a very engaging lesson for the learners, so you can check through after and ensure that it matches with your curriculum and whatever you want to teach the students. Yes, all right. Also, now when you want to create, let's say, a homework or quiz for your learners, you just continue from the same chat. Let's say create, let's say, a 15 maybe multiple choice 15 multiple choice questions, create a few questions, let's say, on the topic covered. All right, so you don't need to go again type it your topics from scratch, so it automatically create for you, and then just copy paste, transfer it in a Word editing program, and then print to your students, or even just upload it to your learning management system if you have one, and you'll be good to go. Yes, and in brief, that's how we can use ChatGPT effectively as teachers. Create your lesson plans and also assessments. Yes, all right. It can also help you generate comments for your learners. You can just input, let's say, their skills, basic skills, and it can help you generate a very professional and meaningful comment that you can give your students, and also put in your parents' reports as feedback. It can help you give actually a very constructive feedback for your learners. Yes. Okay. Yes, thank you so much for following, and that is it for today. See you again in the next video.